In this tutorial, I'll show you how to transfer USDT from your ToneKeeper wallet to Binance and easily withdraw funds. Let's get started. First, open your ToneKeeper app. On the dashboard, you will see a send button. Tap on it. You will be prompted to enter the recipient's address. Now, open your Binance app and tap on Deposit. In the list of coins, search for USDT and select it. Choose the network, which should be Tone in this case. Binance will display an important notice reminding you to copy both the deposit address and memo to avoid any loss of funds. Click OK. Copy the deposit address from Binance by tapping the copy icon. Now, go back to your ToneKeeper app and paste the address into the recipient field. Next, you'll need the memo from Binance. Copy the memo, then return to ToneKeeper and paste it in the memo field. Now enter the amount of USDT you want to send from ToneKeeper to Binance. After entering the amount, tap Continue. You will be asked to review the details to ensure everything is okay. Once confirmed, proceed with the transfer. That's it. You've successfully transferred USDT from ToneKeeper to Binance.